Most people associate the Bugatti name with the famous and rare automobiles, but did you know that in the 1930s Bugatti also built a modular railcar that beat the world speed record? Collectors from all over the globe are trying to get their hands on anything associated with the iconic Bugatti brand. The Bugatti railcars were built as single, double, or triple car units, with either 2 or 4 12.7-liter petrol engines centrally mounted in one of the cars. Each car was mounted on 2 8-wheel bogies, and linked engines were arranged to drive 2 or 4 of the 8 axles via drive shafts with hydraulic clutches and reversing gears. This modular system of powered and trailer cars could be arranged in various combinations to suit the different needs of the French railway companies, from the smallest 36-seater to the triple-set 144-seat train. The fastest, most comfortable was known as the Presidential, which had 4 engines producing 800 horsepower in a double set with 48 luxury seats. In this form, a speed of 122 miles per hour was achieved in 1934, which was a new world record. These railcars were highly successful at being light, clean, and comfortable as compared with the steam-powered rolling stock. Their chief asset was speed, and the railway companies were able to drastically reduce long-distance journey times. Bugatti built and maintained more than 100 railcars, which was needed revenue in the difficult economic climate of the time. Fulgurex will deliver this amazing Bugatti railcar in both HO and N scale. 5 versions will be produced. Models are all handmade from brass and feature full interiors with many extra details. Even the Bugatti logo is engraved in every seat. Models will also feature both interior and cab illumination, functional doors, directional lighting, factory-installed digital sound decoders, and best of all, fully functional fan blades, which can be digitally controlled. Models are powered by a brushless, high-efficiency can motor with flywheels. The Bugatti railcars are extremely limited. We will only receive a few of each version. Please contact us if you are interested in this model, or visit our website, Reynolds.com. Thank you for watching.